Hi everybody! Today we're going to be looking at the Lindo dual cam video doorbell in 2K. This is Lindo's dual cam video doorbell that gives you a wide range of visibility, and it has a bunch of these features such as PIR and radar sensors. It can detect humans and packages. It has two-way talks, activity zones, infrared night vision, and it is also IP67 waterproof. So first, let's open up the box and see what it looks like. It came with these 3 boxes that has labeled each of the steps that you need to perform to set up the camera and know how to use it. So we're going to open up the first box, and we have our instruction manual as well as a USB-C cord. Let's open up the second box. And within that we have the plate that we attach our camera on, and I believe this is a drilling template. And on the third box we have more screws and wall plugs and some wires. This is the outlet that we need to attach to connect the camera to the Wi-Fi, as well as our camera itself. And with the camera there were also some more screws. So let's now learn how to use it. Alright, so now we're going to get started with the setup process. And to do that, first of all, we need to download our Lindo Life app from the App Store or the Play Store. And we also need to make sure that our camera is fully charged. There is a USB-C port on the bottom that you use with your USB-C cable that it came with, and a wall plug to charge it. So let's get started. You have to create an account and set up, and I've already done that. And I just wanted to show you how the app is and how you can find the installation instructions on the app. So let's go through it together. First of all, we need to press our Add Device button. It looks very simple. So let's see, what does it say? We have to plug in our door chime into a power socket, and you want the door chime to ring and wait for the LED to turn red. So we're gonna go do that right now. So I've already installed our door chime, and next we have to press the power button on the back of the camera and wait for it to turn on. Okay, so on the front you're gonna see the red and white light flashing alternatively. So we're ready for our next step. And you would have to connect to the Bluetooth. So I'm going to press OK and pair it.
For the Wi-Fi.
I'm going to connect to the Wi-Fi now. I'm going to name this the front door. Confirm. And let's go and see what's at the front door with our live view. On the live view, on top, we have our main camera, and then on the bottom, we have our 190-degree angle view camera. Let's go through the parts of the video doorbell camera really quick. So on the front, we have our 2K camera lenses, one right here, and the 190-degree angle view camera right here. We also have our doorbell button right there. On the bottom, we have our USB-C charging port that you use when you need to charge the camera. And then you also have motion sensors, and on the inside you have a power button on the back that you use to turn it on and set it up initially. And then you also have a microphone on the inside as well. Let's go through the Lindo Life app really quick and how to work it. So first of all, we have our home screen, and on the home screen we have our live view. We also have a events menu as well as a user menu for additional settings. So I'm going to show you the events page first. And on the events page, you're going to see all the different dates and all the different motion it detected. It is taking anywhere from 10 to 12 second shots of anything that's going on. Since it's battery operated, it's trying to reduce battery usage by taking the 10-second shots of when it detects any sort of motion. So on the front door, we have this blue icon right here. That means that it's a person. We also have a purple icon that indicates that someone rang the doorbell. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our home screen and we're gonna check out the settings for the front door really quick. And over here you can see all the different sort of settings that you have, such as motion detection, auto response, and battery settings, more video settings and audio settings, as well as privacy zones, notifications. You can change the doorbell chime notification, ringtone, as well as chime alerts. And then you also have an installation guide on how to install the doorbell. They already provide you with everything. All you need is a screwdriver, and basically you install it using the mounting bracket. The 15-degree mounting wedge is optional if you want to have an angle to it. And all you have to do is use your screws and anchors to fasten it into place. Okay, So you can have a wired version as well, or you can just use a battery operated version. I'm just gonna do that, and then it gives you a bunch of mounting installations guide. And it'll tell you if you need an anchor or if you don't, and it'll also tell you how to put it onto the mounting bracket. On motion detection settings, we have different types of detection. So you can trigger all motion or human detection. You can change the sensitivity. So if it's on high, it has a sensitivity of 23 feet, medium is 16 feet, and low is about 10 feet. So I'm gonna set it on high and go back. You can also do activity zones. So let's say you want it to only cover a certain area, if it's in the front or to the side. You can set activity zone like this. So if it's near the front of the camera, just like in this zone, I can put a trigger area right here, or I can move it here and do it like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, and now we have our activity zone. So let's go back. And lastly, we have our package detection mode that I turned on. So I'm going to go back and check out the auto response settings. Auto response settings, you can set a schedule or days that you want an automated response. So you could do a automated voice response, such as please leave my house, leave the package at the door, sorry we can't answer the door. Right there. You can turn it on or off and set it. I'm gonna go back and check out the battery settings. So right now the doorbell has high battery, and it has like the default power settings, but if you put it on motion detection is always active, then it will have a pretty low battery life, so like adjust it accordingly. Let's go back. Let's check out the notification settings now. So on the notification settings, we can have the doorbell ringing notification, motion detection. If there's any motion, it can immediately, when you click on the notification, it'll immediately go to live view, or you can also set it to the motion events record page. And then you can change your alert tones right here, like this, and confirm it. Okay, so let's go back now. Let's check out some of the video settings. And yeah, over here we have some night vision settings that you can change. We have some audio settings that you can change as well for your audio when you're talking through the device. And you can change some of the chime settings. And there's more device info and doorbell installation and instructions in here as well. So let's go back and let's check out the front door view. Over here you can see the live view of the top camera as well as your bottom 190-degree camera where you can detect packages. You also have ability to do screenshots as well as screen recordings. You can do a two-way talk and leave automated messages, and you can also control the sound. So I'm going to go through an example scenario of how the two-way talk system might work, and let's check out the audio quality. Hello? Who is this?
Hi, this is the delivery driver.
Okay. Leave the package on the door. Hello? Who is this? Hi, this is the delivery driver. Okay. Leave the package on the door. Okay, thank you. The dual camera design provides you with a wider 190-degree field of view and removes any blind spots. The front camera focuses on humans while the downward-facing camera focuses on packages. And you're going to get any notification when there's any package deliveries, and it detects small packages as well as large packages. The Doorbell has a high-quality 2K image resolution for the main camera, as well as human and motion detection. You're going to get notified immediately when someone's at the door. And that is it for our review. If you like the product, please go ahead and check out our description box below for the product link. We've also included the original price as well as the promotion price on Amazon Prime, including the promotion code, as well as the official website link in the description. Thank you all for watching.